Check out this 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. Carfax has certified this Silverado 3500 HD as having one owner. This Silverado 3500 HD has just under 59,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the LTZ Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, silver birch metallic, light titanium dark titanium, ultra soft leather appointed seat trim, GVWR, 11,400 pounds, 5171 kilograms, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper manual folding and extension, black, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, brake controller, integrated trailer, with E63, fleet side pickup box, requires Z82, heavy duty trailering equipment. Engine block heater, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, transmission, Allison 1006 speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive, electronic engine grade braking and to-with-haul mode, requires LMM, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel engine, as lift tailgate package and the audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible 6-disc in-CD changer. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.